The other day, this Nani, Odonga Otto, would have to give me a cow. As a fine, you should tell him that you owe the old man Museveni a cow. Because when I came for the consultation in Unyama, was it Unyama? We were in a PTC somewhere.
Which PTC?
He was praising me, but it is an offense. I would have to get a cow from him. Because he was praising me. He was saying, Museveni, thank you very much for chasing the Balalo. It's very good that you chase your own tribe from here. Now the offense is that Odonga Otto would have thought at any one time that I can side with people because they are my tribe, even when they are wrong. So I need a cow from Odonga Otto.
We shall relay that message to him.
So for him, he was praising me. He thought he was praising me. But I could see a mistake in the praise. Why did you think? You should have known that I cannot support wrong, even if it is from my own family. Because this is the NRA. Yeah. In 1971, when we were opposing Idi Amin, I've told you I had been in DP in 1960.
Yes.
Now, when Idi Amin overthrew Obote, all my DPs were very happy because Amin had overthrown their enemy, Obote. We said no. This Amin is very, very, very dangerous. And we waste our time. So we opposed Amin. And our own family members who were DP were annoyed with us. Why are these boys following your Obote? We were not following your Obote. We were following principle. Yeah. So, but now you can see, because of that constant stand on supporting right, opposing wrong, people now have come to understand. And that's why there's a big support, as you can see, in all parts of the country, including the North, which was being informed by mistake makers, people who make mistakes. They're the ones who come. The Bantus want to kill Nilotics. Really? But I was fighting, opposing Amin in 1971 when he was killing Acholis and Langis. So they tell lies, go back, go back, go back. But with the time, what you should do, you do right all the time, whether you are in public or private, you do right. The truth will come out.